Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, that is language settings. Suppose we want to change the keyboard settings or the keyboard language into Hindi, Odia. How we can do? Let's move. You can see I have typed language setting in search button, and here the language setting has displayed. Here I am typing Odia. Then I will click on next selection, then next. And then here it is searching for Odia. Okay, here it is asking whether you want to set my window display language. No, I am not going to display set that language as my window language. Now you can see, as if you scroll down, you can see that Odia is showing, it is showing pending, so the installation is going on. Okay, let's wait. It will take some 4 minutes. Now the downloading process is going on, and here it is installed. Now we will click on Odia, then we will click on options. Okay, then we will use, you can see some additional settings have been downloaded. Meanwhile, we will add a keyboard. Here you can see that is Odia Inscript is there. So what is the difference between Odia Inscript and Odia phonetics? Let's see. In every language, you can see in Hindi also, Hindi Inscript keyboard is there and Hindi phonetics also is there. So what is the difference? Let's perform this task. So we will add a keyboard over here. Okay, so before that, let me show you how what is the difference between this Odia Inscript and Odia phonetics. See, the MS Word has opened. Okay, then here we are going to choose Odia Inscript. Here you can see I have clicked on Hindi phonetics, and if when I am typing something, it is automatically the English text is converted into Hindi when we are clicking on Hindi phonetics. You can choose the options, the recommended options like 1, 2, 3, 4 it is showing. And let's see, click on Odia keyboard. When I am typing Odia, it is not coming. Odisha, it is not coming. It is something else. It is coming because we have to understand the specific letters of the Odia in our keyboard, where it is located. So it is very difficult for us, for a beginner. So we are going to do an additional settings for that. See, so we are typing something but it is coming something else, so we have to perform an additional settings. Now I'm going to set the same settings option, and here I will add a phonetics keyboard, that is Odia phonetics. Okay, here you can see Odia phonetics option is shown. And now we have to click on this download option. Now the settings has been installed, that all settings has been installed, and now we are going to choose this Odia So let's see try with Odia keyboard. Same thing, when we are typing something else, here it is coming something else. And here when we are clicking on Odia phonetics, you see I am typing Odisha, it is coming. When I click on space button, it is coming. And now I'm writing Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Here 1 2 3 4 options are showing. You can choose any of them. You can type it from 2 3 4 like that from keyboard. And here I have typed Odisha Jai Jagannath. And in this manner your Odia keyboard is set, and you can use this in typing as a typing tool. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will help you in daily tasks. Please subscribe and click bell icon for more updates.